everyone, I am Manjula with you. Inauguration of 98 female judges in Egypt. For the first time in the history of the judiciary in the African country of Egypt, 98 women were appointed as judges in a single day yesterday. There are two divisions in the Egyptian judiciary. In one day, 98 women were appointed as judges in the administrative, disciplinary and appellate court divisions. The order for women to be judges was recently issued by President Abdul Fattah el-Sisi. Punishment for parents for misbehavior of children. China program. The Chinese parliament is considering legislation to punish parents for child misconduct or crime. A draft Family Education Promotion Act has been drafted in China. In it, parents are held accountable for their children's misbehavior and they are sent to child rearing classes. The law applies not only to parents but also to guardians of children. A parliamentary standing committee is expected to review the bill soon. The Chinese Ministry of Education recently brought in restrictions that require boys to play online games only on weekends, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Similarly, restrictions were imposed on homework and conducting post-school training classes on weekends and holidays. The Chinese government came up with the plan to reduce the academic burden on students. Immediate action against instigators of violence. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has ordered immediate action against those who use religion to incite violence. A gang suddenly attacked Hindu temples during Durga Puja in Bangladesh. 4 people were killed in the ensuing violence. 22 people were injured. Also, 66 houses were damaged. More than 20 houses were set on fire. The investigation has revealed that the cause of the riot was the spread of religious misinformation on social media. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has promised stern action against those involved. Sheikh Hasina has also ordered Interior Minister Azad Zaman Khan to take immediate action against those who use religion to incite violence. US court rejects Nirav Modi's request. Nirav Modi, a diamond trader who swindled rupees 13,000 crore from the Punjab National Bank, has fled to London. Attempts have been made by the Indian government to deport him. Meanwhile, a US court has dismissed a case filed by Nirav Modi seeking quashing of fraud allegations against him. Richard Levin, a court-appointed trustee on behalf of 3 corporate houses in the United States, has filed a fraud complaint against Nirav Modi. The trio, including Nirav Modi, have filed a lawsuit in New York bankruptcy court against allegations of fraud. But the court refused to grant their request and dismissed the petition. New record Telegram app. In today's internet world, websites are a powerful medium through which any news can spread to all countries in an instant. As a result, social networking sites such as WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook were recently shut down. Users were thus affected. When WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook were down, about 7 crore people downloaded the Telegram app in one place. As a result, the number of Telegram downloaders has crossed 100 crore. 3 Indians appointed as White House officials in the United States. Working in the White House, Washington, the official residence of the President of the United States is considered an honor. The White House has appointed 19 younger generations to serve as officers under the fellowship program for 1 year. Three of them are of Indian descent. Joy Basu and Sunny Patel are both from the state of California. The other is Akash Shah from the state of New Jersey. Joy Basu will serve on the White House Gender Policy Council. North Korea tests missile again. A statement issued by the Commander-in-Chief of the South Korean Tribe Forces stated, North Korea test fired its low-range missile on Tuesday. The test was conducted near the port of Sinpo. The report said the missile appeared to have been fired from a submarine. UN Security Council calls on North Korea to suspend uranium enrichment prohibited. Despite the ban, North Korea continues to test missiles. This is causing tension in the region. Have an excellent day. See you again. Thank you.